is. Duke! What is this? I'll give it to Duke for an afternoon snack. Duke! It's cold out here. Duke!
Margaret,
Oh, hi.
what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Well, I saw you walking out on the street here. I just want to know what you're doing. Where are you going?
Aren't these the prettiest pills?
They sure are pretty. Where are you going with them?
I'm gonna meet Duke at the bus stop.
Well, remember, Duke moved out a couple of years ago. He doesn't go to school anymore.
Did he drop out?
No, he graduated, but he just moved out. Let's go back to the house.
But we have to wait for the bus.
Well, there's no bus coming today.
Is it Saturday?
Yes, it's Saturday.
Did you want one of these pills?
No, we'll go put those away.